On the basis of the feedback and the market analysis and of course the what was extended to us by the institutions, all were compiled, and it was on the basis of that the awardees have been selected. So sir, we start with the awards?
Yes.
Okay. This award goes to Silver Lake.
Technology overtakes content. Then you're dead in the water.
Welcome to the Brands Academy Education Excellence Awards. And to present these awards, ladies and gentlemen, we have been joined by Mr. Prahlad Kakkar. So with this, we move on to the next set of awards, and the next award, which is for the Best Fashion Design Institute in India. Any guesses? I heard some bit, yeah. That's the National Institute of Fashion Technology, NIFT. We have been joined by the Chief Vigilance Officer, Mrs. Neelam Shami Roy, coming to receive the award.
Change the entire landscape of fashion design in this country. And I think in the short couple of years that they've been in existence, they've opened up how many branches? 15 campuses across India. They're full to the brim, and it's highly competitive to get inside there. And I know for a fact that I have worked with a lot of ex-NIFT students, and they're outstanding.
We move on to the next, the award for the most innovative private university in South India, the Innovative University, Alliance University.
It is a great recognition for our ways of doing things. We have been an educational institution for quite some time, and as a university we have progressed in different areas, business school, law, engineering, health sciences and so on. So what we have essentially done is try and see if we can replicate the good things that we have done in one college in other areas, and we have been pretty successful, and that is where the innovation essentially comes in, because we are an innovative activity, and we know that that is the future for all educational institutions in this country and beyond.
The next award is for the Best Private Institute in Maharashtra for Journalism and Mass Communication Studies. The winner here is Harkisan Mehta Foundation Institute of Journalism and Mass Communication.
This has been like 23 years in the making, and finally the hard work put in by the directors before me, and fortunately I'm here as the director of the institute, and we feel that whatever innovative thinking we've done as per the coaching media professionals has now found some work.
The next award is for the most promising private university in Uttar Pradesh. The winner, GLA University. We move on to the next award. This is for the fast emerging Government Engineering College in Delhi. The winner, Indraprastha Institute of Information Technology. The next award is for the most industry-focused curriculum amongst Government Management Institute in Mumbai. Here the winner, ladies and gentlemen, is the National Institute of Industrial Engineering. The next award is for the best placements among private engineering colleges in Rajasthan. And here the winner is Arya Institute of Engineering and Technology.
This is a great achievement on our part to get this award, and this motivates us to get on a higher side, and we will make sure that what excellence in education we deliver to the students. We think that this is a race against time and technology, and to give the best of the knowledge to the students, and especially the engineering students, we provide the best of the technologies in the teaching and learning methodology, in the labs, and during the 4 years curriculum we expose them to the best of the technology, and in the 4 years we try to teach them the maximum, so that the once he is taught he is industry ready and industry can adopt him faster.
The next award is for the best private university in North India. The winner here, ladies and gentlemen, is Amity University, Jaipur. The next award is for the fast emerging preschool brand in Western India. The winner, Tree House Education and Accessories Limited.
We are the largest self-operated preschool chain in India, and I think the kind of work we do is what is making us be there in the space where we are. And obviously we've been doing a good amount of work with all the kids in various parts of the country, not just Western India, but in every single city. Out of the top 10 metros, we are market leaders in 5 of them, as per our analysis, and we think that whether it's Mumbai, Pune, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Jaipur, Bangalore, some of these markets we are household name. So I believe that thousands of children across various categories are benefited every single morning through our education, and I think that's what makes us well-known brand. So we would say thank you very, very much for selecting us, and we are very happy to have the honor of getting this award.
Brought to you by Brands Academy.
Ultra Clarity, created by LG. Enjoy the world's first Ultra HD TV.
अच्छा सुनो, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस एजेंसी से
बाद में
मतलब नहीं की।
वो कल पॉलिसी लेके आ रहा है।
अच्छा, कौन सी ली?
क्या फर्क पड़ता है बेबी, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस ही तो है।
हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस बिना कवरेज कंपेयर किए?
हाँ पर
PolicyBazaar.com पे कवरेज कंपेयर करो और पूरे कॉन्फिडेंस से अपना प्लान चुनो।
तुम?
PolicyBazaar.com।
The next award is for the best upcoming international school in Mumbai, and the winner here is Aditya Birla World Academy. The next award is for the most innovative distance learning institute in India. The winner here is the Indian School of Business Management. The next award is for the best upcoming private university in Assam, and here the winner is the Sam Kaziranga University.
It's a great recognition for all of us because the Northeast for long has not been exposed to higher professional education or university education in the professional sector specifically in a big way. And we started this initiative promoted by the largest industrial house from the state of Assam and of course Northeast. And it's a very encouraging thing for all of us. It gives us a lot of encouragement to make it one of the best in India in the next years to come.
The next award is for the best placement for PGDM courses in Pune. The winner, Surya Datta Group of Institutes.
When our people are working day and night, taking extraordinarily great efforts, taking the ownership of the students, and when all students are placed, so definitely it inspires, and this kind of awards is a token of appreciation what we have received today from the Brands Research Academy, and that too at the hands of a brand guru, Prahlad Kakkarji. It means an inspiration to our students, it means a great encouragement to our faculty members and placement coordinators.
We now have the award for Asia's Best Marine Institute, and the winner here is BP Marine Academy. And you know, the next award, in fact, the next award winner, I've been hearing the names, and it's an institution. The name itself is an institution in itself. This is a best acting school in India. That's Roshan Taneja School of Acting. next award, the Best Innovative Private University in North India, Amity University, Gurgaon.
It's a happy moment for Amity University, Gurgaon, as we are an industry integrated university and we believe in achieving excellence through innovation, research and industry integration. And at Amity Gurgaon, we have a diverse student community and a multicultural environment. We have a strong intellectual capital and overall it's a very conducive and happy environment at the campus for higher learning.
The next award is for the most promising company in India for stock market training. The winner, Precision Technical Analysis Private Limited.
The common notion in the stock markets is that to be an investor or a trader, one needs to have money. Training is not something which is important. But my company is trying to change that notion. In the last few years, we have trained around 2 lakh people at 40 locations all over India. And this award is a vindication of our efforts. That's therefore, I like to thank Brands Academy and ET Now for giving us this award.
The next award is for the Best Private Engineering College in Haryana. The winner from Haryana, Yamuna Institute of Engineering and Technology. The next award is for the Best Private MBA College in North India. The winner in North India, NIILM Center of Management Studies.
Well, we are very proud to have this kind of an award, which shows that our quality is good, our standard is high. Such kind of awards make the schools to work hard to excel in whatever the area of activity in which they are engaged. So these awards are a kind of an encouragement to the institutions to do better and better.
The next award is for the Best Private Engineering College in Madhya Pradesh for industrial exposure and training. The winner is Gyan Ganga Institute of Technology and Management.
Always a great feel when you are acknowledged by some other party that you are doing good at your place. So I am really feeling very glad to have this award, and I thank Brands Academy for acknowledging us as a good institute providing good education in the state of Madhya Pradesh. I thank them. It's always say your good work pays you, which is I am feeling here.
Brought to you by Brands Academy.
Where is Chandramouli?
Fashion has a new address. Clothing, footwear, watches and more. Now available on Flipkart.com, the online megastore.
नौकर क्या गुंडागर्दी है ये? तू पुलिस वाला है या गुंडा? कॉम्बो। पुलिस नहीं है, गुंडा है। Buy one get one free. Find it.
The next award is for the most promising international school in central India. We have been now joined by the representatives from Gyan Ganga International Academy, Bhopal.
Very proud moment for us. Brand Academy has chosen us for this award, and definitely we should say that it's a good appreciation and it motivates us to work better in future. The event has done remarkably well. Last year also I have been here, but we have not won any award for our school, but our college has won. This time it has been awarded to the school also.
The next award is for the best clinical research and health sciences business management institute in India. The winner, CliniMinds.
What we are really doing is contributing towards the society, contributing towards the industry today. Industry is looking for the new skill set, and unfortunately our current curriculum of the, whether it's a medical curriculum or pharmacy or biotechnology curriculum, you do not have the right set of programs what is required by the industry. And we create that new job function, we create that new skill set and the capacity in the country, not only in India today but in the several other countries where we are working. I think the Brands Academy is the only award today in the country, in the private sector at least, which recognizes these kind of institutions. Otherwise most of the government awards are targeted towards the large government institutions. So Brands Academy is playing a very important role in this domain.
The next award is for the most promising private engineering college in Uttar Pradesh. The winner, Hindustan Institute of Technology and Management. We move on to the next. This is for the most promising leadership training and coaching company in Bangalore. The winner, Peak Performance Training.
We believe there are no bad pupils, there are only bad teachers. Today, our mission statement of our organization is entertainment to education. The best learnings out of our life have come when we played games as children. And even though we grow up in the middle management and rise up to CEO's level, we remain children at heart. So only where there is high energy, interactions, one-to-one coaching, the best learnings comes, and the recap is longer and the leadership is stronger. And that's our USP. We take limited people in our organization in each batch. We don't play the game of numbers, we play the game of true learning. We are focused on motivational platform and psychology platform. We are the only training company which works on the platform of psychology. We believe that leadership, success, communication and influence does not lie outside world, it lies within the 6 inches of the human mind, and that's where we focus on.
The best private engineering college in Jaipur, Arya Institute of Engineering and Technology.
these kind of awards set you apart from the other institutions. They give you a head-on start in whatever you want to try, whatever you want to do next, and they set a standard in the sense that you always want to beat your own record. Whatever you've achieved the previous time, you want to do better the next time. So in this way, we always strive hard, work hard to get more and more awards the next year as well.
So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you to Mr. Prahlad Kakkar for doing the honor. I think we thank him for being with us throughout. Thank you. And the last word from Mr. Kakkar.
I'm so glad you all came here, and I'm so proud to be a part of this function where I could actually see so many educating facilitators of not only the conventional kind of engineering and doctorate and things like that, but also unconventional kind, adventure sports, diving. I mean, I'm amazed, and I hope that tribe will grow so that we can offer our children lots of choices, so that they don't have to worry about just being IAS officers and engineers and various other things, which they might not want to be. If they have the aptitude, always remember, when a boy or a girl has an aptitude to do a particular kind of job, whether it's engineering or whether it's anything else, and you put them into the right organization, they'll fly. So just remember that we do this for the children and not for ourselves. We must not forget that how we tailor, how we change, how we cope with change, how we teach them how to cope with change, how we mentor them is the most important aspect of our lives, because it's a business of giving back. We've lived our lives, now we have to give back to the next generation, and they're going to make this country. Always remember that. They are eventually going to improve what we have not done in a lot of ways. We've been very lax and extremely irresponsible. So may the tribe grow. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you once again, sir. And on behalf of Brands Academy, thank you to each one of you. Many, many congratulations to all of you for winning this award. And we are sure that there are going to be many more coming your way. Thank you.
Brought to you by Brands Academy.